Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to remove your vinyl tile with a hairdryer. A lot of times with that old vinyl tile that's stuck to your floor, the glue has worked so well that it breaks the tile apart when you try to peel it up. The idea is to use a hairdryer to help warm that glue up, loosen it up so you can peel up that tile. For this job, I'm going to be using a hairdryer and a 5-in-1. If you have a trowel or just a flat bar, that works too. Now the edges are the weakest point of the tile, so what we'll do is we'll turn on our hairdryer and direct the heat straight down to this crack. That way we can start working underneath our tile. We'll go ahead and turn it on high, that way we get the most heat and the most fan blowing onto our tile. After the tile's warmed up, take your 5-in-1, push it down into the crack, and then kind of give it a little bit of pressure to get underneath there. After you have it up, you want to turn back on your hairdryer and direct it underneath the tile. That way it'll warm it up a lot faster from having to soak down through the entire tile. Using a hairdryer to remove the tile is a great way to try to just do some patch work if you have 1 or 2 tiles that have been damaged and they got to be replaced. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.